Continuing coverage now of the drama under the dome, this time involving the Supreme Court. Those charged with upholding Wisconsin's laws are now under investigation by Dane County detectives.
The 9 Team's David Douglas has more on the allegations of Justice David Prosser choking Justice Ann Walsh Bradley. David.
Part of the story we're hearing, Andy, is that she charged at him. What really happened? It will all be sorted out by an ethics investigation in addition to the criminal one, as some pause to suggest the concept of an elected court is broken.
The clouds over the Capitol on this day wispy and white, but the storm is brewing under the dome and behind closed doors of the state Supreme Court.
Wow, the Supreme Court's crazier than the legislature, apparently.
I hope that it's not as extreme as the news has made it out to be.
Yet with the allegations as wild as they are, some say Prosser's past, including a comment he made about Chief Justice Shirley Abrahamson, is problematic now.
He's calling her a bitch and that whole business, and so it sounds, unfortunately, at least partially believable.
The High Court, a place of respect and known for decorum, now has observers calling it a circus.
We're having the Sheriff's Department engage in a criminal investigation about the conduct of state Supreme Court justices in chambers. That's remarkable and deeply disappointing.
Appearing on Live at 5, Howard Schweber, a UW political science professor, says the recent troubles beg the question, should we elect our justices in Wisconsin?
It worked very well for a very long time. I think there's a lot of evidence that in the last 10 years it's become broken.
Governor Walker took note too, saying the justices must work out their differences.
Regardless of whether one side or the other is right on this, what I think the larger context shows is there's some very serious problems at the Supreme Court as a whole.
I think it's going to be a little bit of what she says, a little bit what he says.
As for what really happened, Wisconsin citizens say no matter what, cooler heads should always prevail.
We can all get our points across without becoming physical about it.
The ethics proceedings are confidential per statute, so what we may ever know about them remains in question. We will all wait for the results of the criminal investigation, which Sheriff Dave Mahoney tells me today will be held to the highest law enforcement standards.
We will wait and see. News 3's David Douglas reporting. David, thank you very much.